Alright, the first product is the Tecknet Smart Electric Pump. I did already open these up once so I could get them fully charged. So they aren't exactly as they came, but they're pretty close. So, open it up. And then this is it right here. It's a nice little unit. I remember I had one of these back in the day and it was like a lot bigger. So, pretty cool to see the technology advance. We're just going to take care of this stuff right away. That's the only one. And then it has a charging port. So I just have some notes written down right here that I'll go over. Alright guys, so these are fast inflation 20,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. Compact and portable. There's 4 presets on here for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports balls. It has a digital LCD screen. And it also is a multifunction emergency tool with 3 LED light modes, and it also has that 5 volt 2 amp USB port for charging. This is on Amazon for $59.99. And then I'll just give you a look at the accessories here real quick. It's just a little carrying case, and this is to put on your tire. So, looking good. Alright guys, let's start out with the Tecknet unit here. So I'm just going to put in the hose. It's really easy, it just goes in, twist it like that. And then to turn it on, hold this until all these dashes come up. And it's on. So it's pretty simple to use. This is going to be your target pressure here. So I'm going to set that to 40 psi. And you also have the option for different units here. By holding down this button, I'm not going to do it because then I'd have to cycle through them all. And this button also will change if you're doing like a bike or a ball or something. So we have it set to car. We have a full charge here. Oh yeah, here's the light function, strobe. So this thing should be ready to go. I'm going to put it in here. And another nice thing is once you put it in, it reads the pressure. So we have about 4.5 psi in there right now. I am just going to turn it on and let it pump up. Oh, I just turned it off. Alright guys, this just got done. It took about 13 minutes and it is fully inflated to 40 psi, so it does exactly what it says it does.